Welcome to the new AI Widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about using list view with input field and other input widgets. I'll be using list view created in the widgets generator tutorial. First, let's create a new class inherited from list view component animal, a component for displaying a single item. Add fields for the input field and spinner to the class. Override the setData method to set input values. Next, add callbacks to save the changed values. I created a script to share a data source with another list view to show value changes. Now replace the list view component animal with a new component and specify input field and spinner widgets. As you can see, the values are successfully changed. That's all. Thanks for watching.